Welcome to Top Stocks. In this video I am going to tell you how I am dealing with stocks in my portfolio that dropped. Especially for investors that have just started investing their money and starting buying their first stocks, dealing with losses is difficult. Even experienced investors sometimes fail to make good decisions when they see that a stock in their portfolio dropped 20, 30 or even 40%. Here are two typical mistakes that we should try to avoid when dealing with losses in the stock market, because they can result in even bigger losses. The first mistake is to take action immediately. Many investors tend to react immediately when a stock in their portfolio dropped more than 10% in a short time span. There are two possible actions investors can take. The first one is to sell the stocks immediately, the other one is to buy even more shares, hoping that the stock will recover quickly. The second mistake is to buy or sell stocks because they dropped or rose in price. To avoid these mistakes, it is crucial to think before you invest in a company in the first place. Do your research about a company and build an investment case. When building an investment case, I am asking myself, what do I expect of the company in the next years and in the long run? Why am I giving my money to them? What kind of results does the company need to have to justify my investment? It is advisable to write these things down. And now when you are facing a stock that has dropped in your portfolio, you first take a look at the reason why the stock is falling. Very rarely a stock price goes down more than 10% in one day without there being a reason. Then you have to evaluate if the reason for the falling stock price is threatening the investment case you built. If the investment case is still justifiable, then it is advisable to buy the dip and add even more shares to your portfolio, and if the investment case is seriously threatened by the news of the company, then sometimes it is also advisable to sell your position in this company before the stock goes down even further. But never ever sell shares without comparing the news to your initial investment case, and never sell or buy a stock simply because of movement in the price. Always try to find the reason for it and evaluate the impact on the investment case. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content. I will also analyze some of my favorite stocks on this channel.